go, vlog number 2, star number 2, baby. Yes, sir.
Alright, this is creepy at night. Come on. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. One of the anchors, there's just like a spotlight on it. Typical Wednesday.
Cleaning the field up for practice.
Yes, sir. Ethan has a broom.
You know, just sweeping the floor. You know, grinding. We out here grinding.
Yeah, we grind for money. For the bag.
I got $3, so.
You shall not penetrate my butt.
I'm sorry I couldn't make it to practice today.
It's okay. I do the same thing every week.
I was at work. They called me in. So next week.
Next week we got.
Everyone's leaving because you want to get scheduled.
Yep.
Look, it's not my fault, okay? Wednesday, we're gonna practice, and we're gonna get ready for the 14th. It's gonna be lit, right?
Right.
Yeah. Are you making fun of me?
No.
You're
it's
just
a condition.
You're just jealous. You're just jealous. Because I can see all 3 anchors at once. You're just jealous.
This bitch can see the whole speaking.
I can see the whole field, bro.
Got a fisheye lens on both eyes.
You guys are mean. All right, ready? Come on, let's do it together. Hey, is he your left anchor? Right anchor.
I don't know. I see someone on right.
Oh.
One on the cross.
Dude, he's a box.
I can't get that whole mouth open. I wish my lens could get that close. Like right now, I could see like molecules in your face if I was that close to you. Hey, Striker, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm in timeout. I full autoed some kids.
Oh. Okay. I'll be back in 5.
Okay.
All right. Hey guys, Striker's in timeout.
Why?
Because he full autoed kids.
He's a team leader. I can't do that.
That is all. No, it's a routine, but some need.
Little girl, bring fire from the world. I'm trying. I'm lost, only murmur. Staying for the summer. Staying for the summer. And while 6 feet under, and I got that number. Call her, keep falling like carousel. On a brace hell, like I'm Tyrion and chainmail. Give me head tail, see the jaw drop, face mount like a base head. Leave the scale, balance both sides, and she do it well, so well, yeah. Raymond, ducking from the sun, doing okay then. All these feelings bottled inside like a house dog. Only on the elbow, she'll get out the house when I'm playing off the foul ball. You can stick around, girl. Bring fire from the world. I'm trying. I'm lost, only murmurs. Find time, yeah, find time. I'm sure I'm lying. Staying for the summer. Bring fire from her world. I'm trying. I'm lost, only murmurs. Find time if she's unsure. Find time. Staying for the summer. Quiet, don't need nobody tell me. Drifting aside, running away. Soon as you got those new nights. Soon as you got those new nights. Busy cutting the checks. I'm used to cutting the ties. Okay, pull up your pants. Okay, remember them rolling eyes. How they all fans. Okay, hanging from grapevines. She want the juice now. She want it all right. Get it from you now. What's up?
Good job today.
Sir.
You did good. Matt. Good job today. Good job today. Good job today. Yeah.
Man, real talk, bro. Crazy day. Crazy day.
Sucks. It
But
really
was fun,
does suck.
low-key. It was so fun.
I mean, we made it fun, but it just sucks because it ruins the day for everyone else. And I just
I
hate
feel
it.
sorry for that one birthday party that was coming, you know that.
Yeah, there was a birthday party and the sprinklers went off and it just got canceled. But crazy day, but it really does suck. It just ruins the day for everyone else.
Right.
And that's why it sucks. But
We're told that birthday party,
Yeah.
hit us up, we'll pay for it. Then come back for free.
wild day though, but hey, I have fun with you guys. So.
As always.
Hey.
Announce what? What are we announcing?
May?
May?
You making fun of me again?
Milsim West.
Milsim Way?
Milsim Way? Milsim West.
So yeah, we will be going to Milsim West. This is the fire team right here. You got me, you got Striker, you got Wipeout, you got Sandman back there. So yeah, it's the 4-man squad. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another video. This is Rain.
Let me out.
Striker. Take 2.
No, this is one take, one roll.
B-roll. Yeah, we're ending it. Peace.